I want to like get something here, and I had a chat about this. And can I give you some Bitcoin?
Bitcoin, I don't have a smartphone. I only use this.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
This video is sponsored by Foundation Devices. You can become a sovereign individual with the Passport Hardware Wallet and Envoy mobile app. Use the code RUNWITHBITCOIN to learn more about Passport and Envoy.
As you're in the southern hemisphere and you go over to the latitude 0 to the northern hemisphere, but then there is just Bitcoin.
We're going to have introduction of course.
Hola, yo me llamo Paco y soy de la India. My mission is to run around 40 countries by just using Bitcoin. Join along to see how I eat, live, travel with Bitcoin.
Hi, good morning. This is day 206. I'm heading off to see the Equator. Last time I saw that in 2016. Well, I was in Ecuador, and now this time it's in Uganda. Just got myself a local matatu. Welcome to the Equator. This is it. Ooh. We on the Equator. Check this out. Check this out. How are you? Like you're in the southern and this is south. You're in the south and now this is the north. As you're in the southern hemisphere and you go over to the latitude 0 into the northern hemisphere, but then there is just Bitcoin right there. It's so crazy. This is right in the center of the world. Buy an item and support a child. And I'm just like, let's just get the story right now. And let's go to Medina, right? Hi Medina.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Kebako. How do you say Kebalo?
Jebaleko.
Jebaleko.
Yes,
Jebaleko.
Jebaleko. Kali, now Jebal.
Good to see you.
Thank you.
Can you please tell me something more about your store? What does the store do?
This stall is for Child Africa. We have children that we support here at Equator. Those are local children who don't have really support in school. So we started this shop to generate some money such that we can support them in school, buy scholastic materials, buy for them food, keep them in class. So the profits we get here directly goes to those children. But still we have to make sure that we have the stock to keep the business running. Yes.
Okay. So this is all you buy from the...
Yes, we buy most of the things we buy from the market. But those children used to have an art class where they learned how to make these.
Yes.
So those children were able to make these for themselves in their art class.
Okay.
Yes. So they brought here for sale.
Okay.
I'm selling these things for them.
Nice.
Yes.
Awesome. And now do you get support in any other way for this Child Africa you said?
Yes, Child Africa. Those children also get some support from Norway. They have a few of those children have sponsors from Norway.
Okay.
So the sponsors are able to support them
Nice.
in school. This is just a supplementary support.
Now this is awesome. I want to like get something here, and I had a chat about this. And can I give you some Bitcoin?
Bitcoin, I don't have a smartphone. I only use this.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Okay. I'll get something from you. But hey guys, I am here talking to Medina, and this is the reality right now of how do you give Bitcoin? They don't have a smartphone. This is one of the realities right now. Like I want to share some Bitcoin, and it's for the child support, and it's right here on the Equator. And since when are you doing this?
We've done it since 2014.
Wow,
Yes.
8 years.
It's now 8 years.
Like I do want to do this. So this is how, like, if when there's a smartphone here, and adoption will be extreme. Like for this would be amazing. Like let's do this, everyone, team Bitcoin. All right, Webale.
Kale.
Thank you so much. All right, bye. Hi, what's your name?
Asha.
Asha.
Yes.
Assalamu alaikum to you.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi.
I say your wallet is ready.
Yeah.
Says start.
Start.
There you go. It's ready.
You need to pay. You have to scan the barcode.
Yes. Right.
Yeah.
And I got to pay. Okay. Alright, so that was really nice. I got to talk to the Equator line restaurant lady. I set up a Bitcoin wallet. But that's amazing, man. Could share a little bit more knowledge about it, and let's hope she accepts Bitcoin in the future. And yeah, now we are off Kampala because there's a Bitcoin meetup today of Uganda, so that's crossed.
We are hosting, I think, one of the first Bitcoin meetups, and this was a result. We're going to have introductions, of course. We need to know each other.
With the flash.
First clean the camera though.
With the flash is on?
Sit down, man.
Alright, so this is, what's this place? The Patio Lounge. I'm here with Abel. What are you gonna do?
Hey guys, I'm going to pay with Bitcoin.
How much is the bill?
The bill is about 104
4,000. Let's do it.
shillings. That's about what? Like $20?
Alright.
$20.
And you're gonna pay with Bitcoin? Let's do it. Hi, how are you gonna accept Bitcoin?
Yes, I am.
This is how many people have paid in Bitcoin now?
So far, 2 people.
Who are these two?
Him
Huh?
and there's someone else.
Wow, congratulations. What are you gonna do with this Bitcoin?
I'll change it with a B2B
Huh?
person. I don't know who yet.
Okay.
Yes.
We will not save it.
I don't think I will.
Okay, fair enough. Respect.
Fair enough. Alright.
So it's
You're paying
Send. See the fee. Network fee is 245 sats. You don't like paid.
It's been deducted.
Do we receive? Boom. Paid. We're good. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Brother.
Good deal, man.
Nice.
Alright, ready?
Alright, pay. Pay. Wow, receive. Boom. So it's at almost custom at 2 sats per byte. Note to self. Food. I pay you 33.33. Next. And alright, I'm going to send now and paid. Hi, good morning. This is day 207 and I'm here running with Rachel.
Hi.
Whew. Finale. We're almost heading out. Wowsies. We done it. Congrats. Yeah, what's up? I am in Kampala and I have found a store called Bryanz that accepts Bitcoin. And this is the store right here. Let's go in and meet the owner and see why does he accept Bitcoin. Let's just go in. Hi, Bryanz.
I'm good, bro. How are you?
I'm good. I have a few questions.
Yeah.
I hear you accept Bitcoin.
Yeah, yes, we do.
Since when are you accepting Bitcoin?
It's been like 4 months, four months.
All right.
Yeah.
And how do you accept Bitcoin?
When I started trading with, is it trading?
Yeah.
It's called trading. Yeah. When I signed up with a yellow card,
All right.
they introduced me to Bitcoin and how we can work together, how we can accept it. So, yeah, basically it's dealing with yellow card.
All right. Nice. Has anyone paid in Bitcoin?
Not so many people because it's just emerging, but like 2, 3, 4 people.
Okay.
Yeah.
And why do you accept Bitcoin?
It's like I realize it's a new option. Like we like to move with new trends. It's a new option and it's also cheaper than Visa card. So yeah, it's everywhere. I'm seeing it everywhere. I didn't know much about it, but then it's everywhere. So I was like, why not?
All right. So do you save any Bitcoin?
Do I?
Save?
Yeah, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. But then also when the money comes through the app, the yellow card, we just transfer it direct to the bank. Yeah.
Awesome, nice. So what's your store's name?
Bryanz Collection.
All right, and so people can come here and pay in Bitcoin.
They can come and pay in Bitcoin.
Awesome.
All right.
Vale. Ciao. Thanks. Bye.